Super weather.
Good Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell in for Sheena Parveen. Morning clouds extending from the coast to the valleys, gradual clearing this afternoon. Those clouds were so stubborn to clear out along the coastline. Some areas barely saw any clearing. We do have those summer-like temperatures today away from the coastline, so very similar to what we had on Thursday. Your weekend forecast looks good. It just looks a little bit cooler. Cloud cover is going to continue. This is a look at your temperatures around 5 a.m. So we're going to be right around those upper 50s to about the low 60s along the coast, 50s and 60s over the inland valleys. Mainly in the 50s from the mountains, but warming up quickly over the desert region, upper 70s there. Coastal forecast for you throughout this morning heading into about 9 a.m. You can see this is for La Jolla. Check this out. First at the bottom of your screen, high rip current risk. So now those rip currents are going to be stronger. I say this most mornings. Now, if you are going to the beach, you're going to be getting in the water. Check in with a lifeguard. Ask how those conditions are so that you know where it's safest to swim, to surf, or if you just need to stay out of the water altogether. Here is a look at what you can expect, though, going into about 8, 9 o'clock. We still have mostly cloudy skies. Those temperatures are going to trend, however, closer to the mid 60s by 9 a.m. Over Ramona yesterday, we were dealing with some fog. We do have temperatures from those low 50s this morning. We'll trend closer to about the mid 50s right around 5, 6 o'clock. It looks like that foggy or those foggy conditions are going to settle back in over this portion of the county by about 9 a.m. though. Low 70s, 10 a.m., mid 70s. Daytime highs look like this, upper 60s to about the low to mid 70s up and down the coastline for your Friday. We're going to be a little bit warmer for the downtown region in comparison to the immediate coast. Low 70s to about the mid 80s. Some places like La Mesa backing off a little bit. Same thing with Escondido, but still staying right around those mid 80s for Ramona. And we have 80s and 90s continuing over the mountains. Triple digit heat also stays in the forecast over your desert region. So weekend forecast looks like this. Not a whole lot changing at the coast, but the inland valley communities getting closer to those upper 70s over Saturday and Sunday. We'll have mid to upper 70s over those mountain communities, looking at some increased cloud cover because of a low pressure system that's going to influence our weather conditions. It's coming in from the north, and desert region getting away from 108, 110, closer to about 99 degrees by Sunday. Still hot. Taking a look at the 10-day forecast. This is what we have on tap. Not a whole lot is changing for the coast. I would say heading into Saturday, it looks like some of that cloud cover could be a little bit more stubborn to clear. But next week, your temperatures are going to be right around those upper 70s for the inland valley communities. They warm up a little bit more by the end of next week. We see the same pattern over the mountain communities, cooling down for the end of the weekend especially. And same deal goes for the desert region. However, we still stay pretty close, if not reaching those triple digits through the extended period. Have a great weekend.
Don't forget your umbrella.